the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a puma. Pumas, also known as mountain lions or cougars, are like the stealthy, wild cats of the Americas. They have a sleek body and can silently stalk their prey. Pumas are expert hunters and can leap great distances. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a red panda. Red pandas are like the adorable, bushy-tailed acrobats of the forest. They have rust-colored fur and a ringed tail. Red pandas are excellent climbers and spend most of their time in trees. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a moose. Moose are like the giants of the forest. They have long, sturdy legs and a massive body, with large, broad antlers on the males. Moose are excellent swimmers and enjoy munching on aquatic plants. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an armadillo. Armadillos are like the little armored knights of the animal kingdom. They have a tough, bony shell that protects their body. Armadillos can curl up into a ball when they feel threatened. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an antelope. Antelopes are like the graceful runners of the open grasslands. They have slender bodies and often sport beautiful horns. Antelopes are known for their agility and can leap and bound across the savanna to escape from predators. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an ostrich. Ostriches are like the fast, flightless runners of the African savanna. They have long, powerful legs and a large body. Ostriches are known for being the world's largest birds and can run at incredible speeds.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.